Are you trying to create presentations using Copilot with your corporate template and it's not working? You're not alone. Let me show you exactly how to do this. You need two things: paid version of Copilot, and second, your corporate template. This is my corporate template. So there's the slide master and many different types of layouts. I want Copilot to use it. We first have to go to Copilot chat. The best way to use Copilot chat is to use it on a browser. So this is Edge browser, new tab, and go to this link. Sign in using your corporate ID, and that will open Copilot chat. These 9 dots, which is basically opening multiple apps, and click on the create button. This is also called the designer. Here we can create an image, infographic, poster, and many other things. Click on the brand kit. In your case, it will be blank. I have already created one called demo. Click on new brand kit, then give it a name and click on the create button. This opens the brand kit management page. Your logos, colors, fonts, images, icons, brand voice, style, leave everything else blank and click on templates. Click on the add template button and upload your template. The template can be PPTX or POTX. So while importing the template, it also asks you for some tags. Give the tag, press enter, click on add to brand kit, and now Copilot is importing and understanding your template. Right now, we have uploaded just one template. When you upload multiple templates, it's important to set the correct one as the default. Once it's imported, it'll tell you that it has saved it, and you should be able to see the thumbnail here. That's all we need to do. Go back, manage brand kits, and make sure the brand kit you just created is visible here. Next, we have to go to PowerPoint. Click on these 9 dots or waffle menu, more apps. Now you will see PowerPoint. 3 dots, open in new tab. Because we are using browser, we are going to get the latest features of Copilot. If you use the desktop app, you will get those after 3 months. That's why. So now in PowerPoint, just click on create with Copilot. It's going to create a blank new presentation first. The Copilot button is now on the bottom right corner. Click on it to open Copilot pane and make sure you're in allow editing mode. I'm going to ask it to create a presentation about visual design principles. First thing to notice here is there is an auto option. Latest models for GPT and Claude will be available right within PowerPoint going further as well. Equally important to notice is the image model. By default, it is in auto, but there are multiple models available. But right now, we are going to leave it on auto. The most important step now is to click on this plus sign, select brand, and you'll notice both our brands are available. I'm going to use the demo one because I have tested it before. And now you can submit the prompt. Copilot is going to look at your prompt, and if it has some further questions, it is going to ask you. So I'm going to choose business professionals. How many slides do I want? So let's create a long 1620 slide presentation. And then what do I want? Core, typography, color, broad. So I'm going to say broad because I want all major principles. Then confirm. So now it's showing me our corporate template. I will choose that. So select the template, scroll down, confirm. Copilot goes step by step, building your presentation. Now it's generating images. So after around 5 minutes, it's done. It has reviewed the consistency, quality, and all that. And finally, an 18-slide presentation is created. Now this Copilot pane has finished its job, so I'm going to close it so we can focus on the presentation itself. Let's go to slide sorter view and look at how beautifully it has generated the PPT following all the guidelines. And then all the images either have come from Microsoft Stock Image Library or it has generated those images as we saw. So I hope now it is clear that it does follow your corporate template, and Copilot in PowerPoint does create great quality presentations. Some corrections you may still have to do manually. The second and more important thing is how is your corporate template created in the first place. Usually someone from your internal team or an agency has created it much before Copilot came into picture. But now that Copilot has to understand your template, there are certain guidelines Microsoft has published. Here is the guidelines page. The link is in the description. So I strongly suggest go through these, talk to your creative team, and tweak the template so that it becomes Copilot friendly, and that will improve the quality of the output. Now let's talk about the brand kit itself. We have created it, it's working, so might as well share it with your team members. Click start sharing, put the email IDs or one or more people, and you can decide whether they can edit it or view it. Generally, it's a good idea to minimize the number of people who can edit. A recommended approach is first designate a set of brand managers, and they can then create centralized official brand kits and distribute to everyone. Read this page for details. Another option is to create an organizational asset library where you can upload not just PowerPoint but all Office templates. You can also create a brand image library for use with Copilot. So let's summarize. First step is go to Microsoft Template Guidelines, open your corporate template, make a copy of it, tweak it as per Microsoft guidelines, save it, go to Create option inside Copilot chat, upload the template, then go to PowerPoint, use Copilot, select the brand template, give the required prompt and data, and now your template will work. I work with a lot of customers and help them improve their efficiency using Copilot and Microsoft platform. If you would like to work with me, my contact details are in the description. Like the video and subscribe to the channel to continue to learn more and work smarter. That's it for now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.